The Content Explorer is a plugin that allows you to search for content both on your local area network and on Autodesk Seek, a web-based directory of drawings from many manufacturers. In this lesson, you will download drawings and insert them into the current drawing using the Content Explorer plugin. Open the Plumbing 9 project file to begin. Then click on the ribbon's Plugins tab and click Explore. The Content Explorer has a search bar at the top, which allows you to search for content locally. Type in the word valve and press Enter. The search returns a number of block definitions, block references, drawing files, a leader, and some text. You can expand the search to include additional drawings by clicking this button here, Configure Settings. By default, the Content Explorer is only searching in two folders, Downloaded Content and the sample files. To make the best use of this plugin, you should click Add Watched Folder and add the folders on your file server where drawings are stored. Then, this plugin will search all of those drawings when you type in a query. I'll click Close for now. Now suppose we'd like to search Autodesk Seek and see if we can get some content that's on the internet. Click this drop-down menu here and choose Autodesk Seek. You can search by category, or you can type in a search query up here. I'll type TAP and press Enter. It locates a number of taps that we can use here in this list. I'll scroll down and let's say we want to use this simple kitchen faucet. I'll double click and there's just one available file associated with this product. I can drag it into the drawing. Click a point to insert the drawing, and then on the command prompt it says enter X scale factor. The default is 1, so I'll press Enter and then Enter again so that the Y scale factor matches the X scale factor, and then Enter again to specify a 0 rotation angle. I'll double-click the mouse wheel to see where this is and hide the Content Explorer. There's a drawing up here, and I suspect this is actually a 3D drawing. I'll hold down the Shift key and drag the mouse wheel to orbit. And indeed, this is a three-dimensional model. So this isn't exactly what I need for this plumbing diagram. I'll go Undo a couple of times to go back to the point before I inserted that drawing. And let's go back to the Content Explorer and let's search in a different way. I'll click up here and say Combined Tap. Enter. Here we get some symbols. I think I'll use this Combined Tap Monoblock Tap Hole symbol. Double click. And then we have a couple of different drawings here. They're both in metric and they're in different versions, AutoCAD 2009 and AutoCAD 2010. I'll get the more recent version, drag and drop it into the current drawing, and it appears to be a bit too large. Nevertheless, I can still use it. I'll scale it down. I'll click the insertion point right here, and then I'll type in a scale factor of maybe 0.1, and then Enter, Enter, Enter to accept the default prompts. I'll zoom in a little closer here, and it looks like this could be smaller still. Go to the Home tab, Scale, select the symbol, Enter, click this base point, and type 0.5. That's better. So you have learned how to use the Content Explorer to locate blocks both locally and globally.